Hi guys, Hank from Your Auto Work here, and today I'll be doing a few mods to this Golf GTi right behind me, right here. Okay, so the mods are downpipe, upgraded turbo, spark plugs, and an intercooler. DO88. Okay, so we've just wrapped up the build on this 7.5 GTi. So as you can see, it's got the CTS open air intake, goes into a Power Max Stage 1 turbo, racing line, catch can, goes here, billet oil cap, dipstick. It's got also a full Miltech exhaust system from the turbo all the way back. This thing is insane, and Ecotune has done all the tuning on this car, tested it out on a hub dyno, and it's made a healthy 289 kilowatts with 4 switchable maps. All done. If you need any work done to your car, don't forget to let us know. We're just one phone call away.